Hello, great people, grade 8. How are you? Mr. Newlove is here again. This is the second video for prime factors, how to find the product of prime factors. If you have not watched the first one, please watch the first one before you watch this. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. This is where we reached. We had 5. But let me just go to 25. Let me start from here. So where is my calculator? We are trying to find the product of prime of 150. So I'm going to go through it quickly. We said you write the 150 here. What number can divide 150 without a remainder? We said 2. So 150 divided by 2 will give us 75. Then 75 divided by 3 will give us 25. 25 divided by 5 will give us 5. How do we get them? I'm going to use the last one because I've done this in the previous video. So here, what number can divide 5 without a remainder? 5. So you come to your calculator, you write this 5 over 5. And it gives us 1. So you write a 1, this 1 here. Then you write this 5 here. Are we together? So now we are going to, it's complete for us to write the product of prime factors. So this 150 can be written as 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. These are all prime numbers and they are factors, so we call them prime factors. You don't include 1. Why? 1 is not a prime number. What is a prime number? A number that has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Alright. Now if you check 1 doesn't have 2 factors. It has only 1 factor. It's 1 and 1. So we don't consider it as a prime number. So we don't include it here. Are we together? So you do this classwork for me. Okay. Then the next one. Determine the lowest common multiple and highest common factor of 70 and 150. We have the idea of writing a number as a product of its prime factors. So we use that idea here. Alright. So this time we have 2 numbers. They want us to find the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple, and HCF, which is the highest common factor. Now, you write your 70 here and 150 at this side. Then you ask yourself, what number can divide 70 and 150 without a remainder? Okay. So, how do we do that? Let's get back to our calculator. Oh, okay, let me try 1 and see. 150 divided by 1. It gives me 150. But I've not done anything. It's the same. The number must reduce. Alright. So we can't use 1. Remember, I said it also in the previous video. So always don't start with 1. Start with 2, 3, 4, etc. Is that okay? Because if you divide a number by 1, it will give you the same number. Okay. Now let's start with 2. So 150. And I told you I like using this one. 150 divided by 2. 75. Oh, okay. Let me see whether it can, the same 2 can divide 70 without a remainder. So first I won't write my 75. I'll write it somewhere. Alright. Before I bring it to my book. Then let me try 70. So 70 divided by 2. What does it give me? 35. Oh, it means 2 can divide 70 and 150 without a remainder. Alright, so I'm going to write my 35 here. Then probably I had forgotten this one, so I'll go back and write 150 over 70 over 2, which gives us what? 75. Are we together? Then you find a number that can divide 75 and 35 without a remainder. How are we going to do that? Let's do it. We don't start with 1. Let's continue with 2. 75 divided by 2. Oh, fraction. So this one, should we take it? No, we don't take it. It's a fraction. If it is a fraction, it has a remainder. It can also give you decimal. It has a remainder. So you don't take 2. You move your cursor quickly to this side. Delete. Try 3. 25. Oh, 75. 3 can divide 75. And it will give you 25. So you can write a 25 somewhere, because I need to check this one also, whether 3 can divide without a remainder. So you write a 25 somewhere. Alright. Okay. So let me write my 25 here. We are not rushing. Okay, 25. Okay, so let's move on to 4. Fraction. Then we'll move on to 5. It gives me 15. Are we together? So it means I'm not going to take 3 anymore. I don't need 3. So this 25, we don't need it. What I need is what? 5. So 75 divided by 5. Let me move the cursor and change this 75 to 35. 7. So it means 5 can divide 75 without a remainder. 15. 35 can also divide 5. Sorry, 5 can divide 35 to give you what? 7. Alright, so 5 is a factor.